Good morning, everyone. My name is Ngatay Patu. I'm the librarian at Kananafo Theological Seminary in American Samoa. Currently, due to the coronavirus pandemic, travel in and out of the island is suspended. However, thank God, there are no confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in American Samoa. However, I am praying for the safety of everyone. May the peace of Christ and the love of God be upon all of us during these challenging times. I am the father of 4 sons and 2 daughters. My oldest son just graduated from high school and currently attending Amherst College, Massachusetts. 4 of my children are here with me, and one of my daughters lives in Melbourne, Australia. I enjoy working here in American Samoa, assisting the faculty, teachers, and staff in training young seminarians called to ministry. I thank God for the opportunity to be part of the students' spiritual growth in preparation for ministry, taking the gospel to communities throughout American Samoa, the United States, Australia, New Zealand, and the Tuvalu Islands. I love nature. I enjoy swimming, fishing, farming, listening to praise and worship, listening to sermons, and reading. My prayer and hope for this program are to further my education in ministry, in turn empowering the seminarians with knowledge I will learn from this Doctor of Ministry program. I am excited and look forward to gaining wisdom and understanding and insight from this program. May God's name be praised forever. Amen.